Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's Easy with another great video for you guys. It's, I guess, snowing, icy. Today is supposed to be ice outside, so yeah, there is a lot of ice. I'm about to go see and clean a little bit, like just go over the ice or the snow mixed and just clean the condos and all that stuff. So yep, hope you guys enjoy the video. It is in the afternoon, like 2 something, so yep, I'll catch you guys over there. Alright, so I decided to take the street for this because it is really terrible in the freeway here. You can see the road, everybody's going really slow. This guy's going slow. It's over here, and I guess we got another small skid steer again. I knew it. I knew it. I was gonna change it. I mean, this one's a little bit bigger. It's a 76, I guess. It's a brand new one. I think this was the one I started with, but let's see if it's even that good. I gotta clock in and all that stuff. So, yep. We'll see. It's already trying to clean the roads. Still got some tires, but oh well. You know, you could do so much and tell a person so much, but whatever. I mean, I guess let's see how this one rolls. Wait, that just gets to your own. Apparently somebody was here. Heat it up. Let's go see how this one actually works. Let's see how it goes. I gotta bring my soda because that's not mine. It's somebody else's. ¿Qué onda, Edgar? ¿Y ahora?
¿Cómo andas?
Aquí, tranquilón, para hit that.
¿Ah, con Juan o qué?
Sí.
¿Y eso?
Sí, I've been with 2 years, yeah.
For real?
Yeah. Yeah.
¿El GoPro y todo el pedo qué?
Sí,
Why?
sí.
¿Nomás?
Nomás, I got a YouTube channel, bro.
Oh, for real?
Yeah. What up, homie? What up? So like I was saying, the guy that's helping me plow the streets, his name is Edgar. And me and Edgar go way back in middle school. He was one of my cool friends. I have a long time, haven't seen him until today, but that was pretty cool. That was pretty awesome. I guess my boss, Juan, Snow Boss, actually knows him and trucks. He does trucking basically for Michael, so that's how they know each other. I guess I don't know if you guys can see all the way down there. I don't think you guys can see that. Let's see if I can get that. Okay, that guy's over there. They just got here. The sidewalk crew. I guess today we're gonna start pretty much at 3:30 ish. I got here like at 3 something, and I heat up the thing, and then I went over there with Ryan. I hope you guys see that, and he is live, and I'll try to show some of that in this video. But today I got a different Bobcat now. It's the S70, and I can tell you something. This thing is freaking strong, so I feel it. I feel the difference. Not to talk trash for John Deere, but I see the difference between that and this skid steer. So yep. All right, let's just go. Let's just start hitting this ice and snow thingy. My jiggy. All right, we'll turn this off because people don't like it. where it's kind of weird. Alright, so this one's way better. Way better. We're hitting the driveways now because I don't want to be dealing with this road. Somebody else could do the roads, like the trucks could do the roads. And if I let this thing pile up, it's going to be more nightmare for me later on. So I might as well just clean that right now. Have it cleaned up right now, and then I don't have to deal with I don't have to be dragging or too much snow, or the skid steer can't do it because there's too much snow, etc. You know what I mean? It's 9:50. I just played. It's 5:17, guys, and it keeps snowing. It keeps snowing. I was checking the radar, and it's supposed to be stopping around 6 in the morning of the next day, 6 in the morning. So I'm gonna be here for a while. Ryan's gonna be there for a while too. So yeah, I clean and like 10 minutes pass, and there's like already snow on top of it. Like all the snow from the top of the houses is coming down. I mean, this skid steer, this Bobcat, the S7 something, it's pretty good. It's pretty legit. Capacity is 2,900 pounds, and then the weight on that, so you can carry the push it or carry it, 1,315 kilograms. So yep, pretty stronger than the other one, guarantee you that. The other one was way smaller. Alright, so I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep doing this. I hate that I have to use this because all the ice is melting. I can't see, and I want to be able to see clear for you guys, so you guys can see clear too. So, pretty good. Pretty bad. The rain's already coming out. Alright, I'm gonna hit it. No, no voy a dejar. Nah, it's gonna keep going and keep going and keep going and keep. Bro, I just cleaned all that. And it's the same.
¿No hay pedo?
No, no hay pedo, güey. I'm gonna keep going, dude. I'm gonna keep going. Sí, güey.
Okay. Bro, I know. Le doy una vuelta and then I go around the same.
Pero es driver though, that's the thing, porque a esto no le he pegado, güey, y tengo que dejar una poquito y luego meterme al otro y así, like split it, yeah, que se está amontonando, güey, I don't want that. Así la otra vez lo hicimos. I came late. Bro, el skid que tenía, güey, valía verga. So imagine him. He had to do everything by the truck. Todo. Yeah. Yeah. Ahí sí te miro por ahí. Le digo, break. Vamos a break.
Later?
Yeah, later. Yeah, hay que darle al otro lado. Quiero darle al otro lado. Este chiquito, I could like.
Okay, cool.
Sí. There's another one over here. I'll tell you. I'll take you.
Okay.
Ahora. So my boss called me. I guess my girl texted me too. The boss called me 32 minutes ago. My wife texted me 23 minutes ago. Well, I'm working, so you know I don't have time to be on my phone. It is 6:03, and we are cleaning driveways and trying to continue. I'm still in the big section in the far left corner. I'm still got to do the right side corner and the far right corner. And like it's just a lot when it keeps snowing. I don't want to be piled up. Can't just go fast. So yeah, going one driveway by one driveway. So yeah. And then got bad news. I forgot to charge my battery, so I only got like 15% on one of them. The other one has 30%. So I'm just gonna be recording here or there. You guys already seen the videos, so. Alright, bye. Alright, so it's 7 and I'm about to start this side. So my battery's about to die, but it's the big side on the right side. So I still got so like I was saying, it was 7, now it's 7:05. I'm hitting the right side of the big condos. I still gotta do the small one, but we're gonna hit this, we're gonna try to go and then get lunch, go eat, and then take a break and then come back and see if what we could do, we keep going or what's up. So yeah, pretty awesome. Pretty cool that I have a skid steer that is actually not sliding, not giving me headaches. It's super dope. But the only thing I don't like is this thing's not even Bluetooth. I already checked, tried it, nothing. And all it says phone, and it just don't got time for that. And then doesn't have a radio at least, so that's pretty bummed out. But yep, I'm gonna keep going. So I don't have no charge, so I'm done. I'm gonna go take my break, then get back and keep going on the other small side. Sucks. Guys, alright, that's it for today. I'm done. I don't have the GoPro. My batteries are all dead. I didn't bring a charger. It is 12 in the morning and I'm out. Today was a good day with the skid steer, with the Bobcat, new Bobcat that I got, that Juan brought me. So, you know, it was a good one. I wasn't sliding, perfect, kept going. Snow kept falling. Like now it's just sprinkles, but I'm out, I'm done. I didn't record like that for you guys. You already seen so much, 2 videos, another video, snowplows. Like, come on, guys. But yeah, it was pretty awesome with this skid steer. But if anything, yeah, hopefully you get some tires and I'm gonna go, and that's it, guys. So I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy. Ahí nos vamos. Hasta luego, raza.